Hi, this is Vigyan, and this event was very helpful. A lot of information, lot of insights over metaverse. I think attending this event will definitely help you to take your decisions on what should be your future plans on metaverse. Whatever you want to do technology wise or creative wise on metaverse, and it's really helpful.
Thank you. Hello, good evening. My name is Arunjit Chaudhary. I'm the CEO of Enterprise Building Training Solutions. I had come here to attend the Metaverse event, and when I came here I didn't know anything about Metaverse, nothing about augmented virtual reality or mixed reality. And this event gave me a good insight about what Metaverse is all about and its application in industry. And since I'm from the educational background, I would like to leverage this knowledge to see if I could impart this knowledge to my students and faculties in the various colleges. Thank you very much. Thanks for inviting me. Bye-bye.
Hi. Oh, you say hi. This is Bhavesh.
Hi, this is Bhavesh.
And this is Saloni, and we're from Om Jewellers. And it was wonderful attending this session today. We learned a lot about the metaverse and to really understand the scope and potential that we have to enter this Web 3.0 and see how far we can make it in our industry.
Yeah, I think it was very insightful, and we had absolutely zero knowledge before we entered, but we were walking out with a bank, and I'm guessing in our next meetings we're going to have a lot of brainstorm about metaverse and see how we can connect with others and explore opportunities in this area.
I think my mind is bursting full of ideas, so thank you so much to everyone at Web 3.0 for organizing this event.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a very good event. What I liked about it is it was not just like any other event all about networking. It was focused. We got to know about some pretty cool projects, and limited audience is always helpful because you get to talk to them and you're not hunting your way out like any other events. So I think a good time, and thanks to Rahul for inviting me here. We'll look forward to be in touch. Yeah, thank you.
Had a very great and insightful session simplifying all the concepts of metaverse and the related technologies, and looking at this from a stepping stone towards getting more involved in the Web 3.0 space and the meta space. And all the speakers really explained the concepts in a very simplistic manner in which someone can grasp and understand the horizons that this space has to present. So congratulations and thanks to Rahul for pulling off this very lovely event and giving us such a great insight into this whole space. Thank you.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Avirup, and today I have attended one metaverse session, and our session was tremendously good. And I think this metaverse concept, without an iota of doubt, that this would be a indispensable and inevitable computing, concept which is coming to Gen Z or Gen Alpha people. So it's a must attend session for all the youth in India. And thanks to Rahul, Gagan, Kapil for this wonderful, concept sharing. Thanks.
Hi, this is Alok here from Brendac, Regional Director and the Managing Director for India. It was wonderful learning opportunity for me. In fact, I had no idea about Metaverse and 3.0, etc. And thanks very much, Rahul, to you and to your entire team. It was wonderful learning, and hope to use this someday, sometime in my industry, and hope to get you along as business partners as well. So nice. Thank you very much. Thank you.